NTSC exam notification, each and everything came. So those who don't know about the NTSC exam, let me tell you that this is National Test Search Examination. Okay, so this is only for 10th grade students. This is very important, and you may say ki this exam is very important first thing, and then if you have started preparing for this exam, that's good. Okay, so yeah, so let me give you why to write this exam. You may say, ma'am, what's the use of writing this exam? If you crack this exam, you are going to get a monthly scholarship. You can apply for it. Okay, so for example, if you are in a first PU, second PU, okay, there will be 1,250 rupees per month. Okay, per month you are going to get, okay, as a scholarship. So this is a type of a scholarship exam. So this is important for your education purpose. So this is important. So what and all will be there in this exam? There are two stages. Okay, first stage is for state, okay, and then will be the second stage is for national level. So if you want to come for the second stage, first of all you have to crack the state level examination. Okay, so now how many papers will be there, what like on what date the exams will become? So you may have this doubt. So let me tell you this. The first stage examination will held, that's in 13th December 2020. Okay, that's on Sunday. Okay, so this exam, that's first stage, that's state level, that will be held on 30th December 2020. Then the second level test, if you crack this first level, then you are promoted for the second level. For the second level also you have to write the exams, and that will be held on June. Okay, 13th June 2021. So only you have just a limited time, you have to prepare for that. Now subjects you want to know, right? So here, for the paper 1, there are two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. For the paper 1, there will be a mental ability test. Okay, mental ability test. And how many marks this will be? So this is 100. There will be 100 questions on it and 100 marks. Okay, so for this first test you have to crack. Okay, then second, in this first only I am telling. Okay, and then second, that is scholastic aptitude. Okay, aptitude is important. So aptitude, same 100 questions and 100 marks, and the time duration will be 2 hours, that is 120 minutes. Okay, for this NTSC examination. Now, so I told you that examination will be held on 13th December, that is the first stage, and second stage, that is 30th June. Right? Now qualified, who is qualified for this? So I told you that only for the 10th standard students can be able to apply for this. Now SC, ST, for this SC, ST plus those who physically disabled person, okay, for them the percentage, the passing marks will be 32% for each paper. If you qualified a paper with 32% of marks, so you will be qualified the paper 1 and as well as paper 2. Okay, so for the paper 1 and paper 2 for the stage 1. Now for the OBC and then general category, for them they have to do for 40%. They have to get a marks for 40% for the each paper. It's just a passing marks, children. Okay, so you should not focus on this passing marks. You should aim best. You have to get 32 plus 32, and you have to aim key 40. No, I am going to get 40 plus 40, that is 80% I am going to get. So this you have to do. If you have cracked this exam, believe me, so you are going to be in an extra level. Okay, now eligibility, like where you can able to write, like you may say, ma'am, because of this lockdown they are so, like how where I have to go, where I have to apply for the examination, where I should go, each and everything, right? So for this you have to contact the liaison officer. So for each and every state there will be a officers, so that that link I will apply in the description box. Okay, I will let you down in the description box so that you can go and check that list. If you want to mail to them you can, if you want to call to them you can, but for them, if you want more information about this exam, when this, like I told you, that is on 13th December it's going to held, but when these exams, like what's the use, how to fill the form, each and everything, you have to contact these leisure officers. Okay, so for that officers names and as well as their number I'll provide you in the description box below. You have to click and you can go through it. Okay, those who are in Bangalore, so in the Bangalore they will be in Malleshwaram, so you can easily contact to them, but because of this time I don't think you can go and contact them easily. So try as your preference. So now, first of all, CBSE and state board syllabus also can be able to apply for this types of exams. Okay, so different types, like fees. So you may ask how much fees I have to pay for this exam, what will be the criteria for this exam. So for every questions of yours you have to contact the state officer. Okay, that is leisure officer. So you have to, liaison officers, you have to contact to them. Okay, so I hope you get an idea about the NTSC, what's this NTSC mean, and there will be a two stages, one stage that is state level and second stage for the national level. First stage exam will be held on 13th December 2020, that's on Sunday, and second level examination will be held on 13th June. So the exams will be held on the same day, but if you want to come for the national level, for that you have to try to crack the state level examination. For the state level examination there will be two papers. That first paper, mental ability test, that is for 100 marks and then 100 questions, and that questions will be on MCQ. Okay, you don't want to write, read, nothing. Okay, you just have to tick the correct answers. And then second paper for the aptitude, and that also for 100 marks and 100 questions. Duration of this, the 2 hours, that is 120 minutes. Got it? And then now the how can you qualify for the SC and ST, and then those who are mental disability persons, for them they are 32% of each paper. They have to get 32% for the each paper, that is the passing marks. Okay, if you get like 31%, you are not eligible for that. Then for the OBC and general category, that is 40%. Okay, so yeah, if you want to know the more information about this exam, so I am going to provide you the link, the PDF link, so you can click on that and then you can contact to them as well. So best of luck for that. Try to read about the NTSC exam. If you have any doubt, please let me know so that I can help you out. Okay, take care, respect your parents. Thank you.